There's something most men never talk about. That feeling when your strength just isn't there. When your control is inconsistent. When your confidence in your own body starts to quietly fade. And you keep pushing through workouts, keep training hard, but the results you're looking for never seem to come. Here's what nobody told you. The problem might not be your training. It might be what you're not training, your pelvic floor. For men, the pelvic floor is one of the most powerful and most neglected muscle groups in the entire body. It controls your core stability, your posture, your endurance, and yes, your sexual performance and ejaculation control. And the good news is you can strengthen it starting today, right now, with zero equipment. Before we get into it, I want to hear from you. Drop your name and country in the comments below. Let's see where this community is training from all around the world. All right, let's get into the top 3 Kegel exercises for men. These movements are targeted, effective, and when done consistently, they rebuild your foundation from the inside out. Move slowly, breathe properly, and focus on feeling every contraction. 1. Butterfly pose Kegel hold. This is where we begin, and do not let the simplicity fool you. Sit down on the floor and bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees drop out naturally to both sides. Sit tall, shoulders relaxed, spine upright. Place your hands gently on your feet or your ankles. Now, using your elbows, softly press your knees toward the ground. You should feel a deep opening stretch through your inner thighs and groin. Do not force it. Just let your body open gradually. Take a slow breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, gently contract your pelvic floor. Pull those muscles upward and inward, just like you were trying to stop the flow of urine. Hold that contraction for 5 full seconds while continuing to breathe normally. Then fully release. That release is just as important as the squeeze. Your pelvic floor needs to know how to relax completely, not just contract. That balance between tension and release is where real control is developed. This position opens the hips and improves circulation directly in the pelvic region. It activates the deep stabilizing muscles of the inner thighs that directly support your pelvic floor. When these muscles are tight or inactive, your pelvic floor cannot function at its best. This movement fixes that. Perform 10 to 12 slow, intentional reps. 5 seconds of contraction, full release in between. Never let your posture collapse. 2. Rocking frog stretch Kegel activation. This one is powerful and it targets an area most men completely neglect. Come down onto all fours. Place your hands beneath your shoulders and your knees beneath your hips. Now slowly walk your knees out wide, as far as is comfortable while keeping your feet in line with your knees. You will feel an immediate opening through your groin and inner thighs. From here, gently rock your hips backward and forward. As you rock back, feel the deep stretch through your hips and pelvic region. As you rock forward, the tension shifts and the entire pelvic area opens further. Move slowly. This is not about speed. This is about control and releasing tension that has been building for years. Now, as you rock forward, add your Kegel contraction. Gently engage your pelvic floor as your hips move in, then release fully as you rock back. Let the stretch and the activation work together. Breathe deeply throughout, in through your nose, out through your mouth. The rocking frog stretch is exceptional for male pelvic health because it simultaneously improves hip joint mobility, releases groin tension, and trains the pelvic floor to activate during movement rather than just in a static position. Tight hips are one of the biggest hidden causes of weak pelvic control in men. This movement directly addresses that. Perform 10 to 15 slow, controlled rocks. Contract on the way in, release on the way back. Never rush a single rep. 3. Sumo squat Kegel contraction. Now we bring you to your feet and take your pelvic strength into a functional standing movement. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart and turn your toes out slightly at about 45 degrees. This is your sumo stance. From here, push your knees outward,
Send your hips back and lower yourself into a deep squat. Keep your chest upright. Keep your spine neutral. Don't let your lower back round or collapse. Take your time going down. Control the descent completely. As you lower, your pelvic floor naturally lengthens and relaxes. Allow that to happen. Don't force a contraction on the way down. Now, press through your heels and drive yourself back up to standing. And at the very top, the moment your hips are fully extended, squeeze your glutes hard and contract your pelvic floor upward. Hold that squeeze for 2 seconds, then go right back into the next rep. The sumo squat Kegel contraction is powerful because it trains your pelvic floor during a full range of motion. You're not just doing isolated contractions lying on the floor. You're teaching your body to engage these muscles during movement, which is how they actually function in real life. Stronger inner thighs, more powerful glutes, a pelvic floor that activates when it needs to. That is the result of this movement done consistently. Perform 12 to 15 reps. Squeeze hard at the top every time. Make every single contraction count. That is your top 3. Butterfly pose Kegel hold to open the hips, improve circulation, and activate the deep muscles supporting your pelvic floor. Rocking frog stretch Kegel activation to release tension, improve mobility, and train pelvic engagement through movement. Sumo squat Kegel contraction to build functional pelvic power through a full range of standing motion. Perform this routine 4 to 5 times per week. It doesn't take long. It takes focus. It takes consistency. It takes the willingness to train the muscles that most men completely ignore. Your pelvic floor is the engine behind your performance, your stability, and your confidence. Strengthen it, and everything else in your body levels up. Start small. Start today. Show up again tomorrow, because real strength is never built in a single session. It is built 1 rep at a time, 1 day at a time, until your body becomes something you are truly proud of. You've got this.